have a cute dog.
No, it's mine.
It's from my grandmother. It's not mine, but she's so cute. She's so fluffy on her head. I just love her. You can see her collar. You barely see it. Why can't you see the collar? Oh, it's licking me. Nina, stop. I'm trying to show you collar. She's so cute. She always licks me. She always licks me. And there's a bone behind here that says. Okay, Nina. Okay. Nina, stop.
No.
What the heck?
Crap.
Nina, what are you doing? Oh, she. Nina! Stop! Now! Nina!
What's she barking at?
I don't know.
Oh, she might see the neighbor dog or something. Bird, maybe?
Just stop. Shut up,
barking at,
Nina.
Nina?
Nina.
Don't be mean like that.
There's a cute dog. She's so cute, though. I
She's so
swear.
cute. Alright, you guys gotta brush your teeth.
Hi, Nina. She always licks me. But when I do this, she can do that. She like always licks me. Looking at her collar. Don't even think about barking. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Don't even try to bark. He's just like. Okay, she's walking away. She's so cute
Connor.
and kind of funny, but she's still really cute. Bye,
Hurry
like
up, honey, we gotta go.
and subscribe. Cute dog.